Hi, good morning, yeah. Today I'm going to make lemon rice. Come on. Very easy, especially for the kids. And next also, one more tip also there, yeah. Sometimes we'll make the rice. Then what we'll do, we'll order outside. Otherwise, we'll go out and eat and come. Then that time, we'll thinking what to do with this rice. What we have to do? We have to do make it quickly lemon rice and keep it in the fridge. Next day morning we can eat. But that is not very good. Sometimes we have to do, even though I will do. That's what I'm telling. We can't avoid so many things. We have to do. That is a natural way. Now we are making quickly lemon rice for the kids' college and everywhere they are going. Come fast. No waiting only. This is, I told you, leftover, but this is not leftover rice. Okay, main you have to make the ponni raw rice. I'll make that one only. That only tasty. If you don't want, you want healthy, you can go for the boiled rice. That's it. Yeah, come on, how much you wanted, you can take, but leftover means very little only you have. Then lemons and all I will calculate and I will tell you. Okay. See, now I'm making very less only. This much rice only I'm making. I think so, maybe 2 cups of rice. 2 cups. Okay. Now, little bit I'll take, yeah, because even I like also to have this rice and all. So now I'm taking only one lemon, and before itself I'll add this is haldi powder. Okay, very less only you have to add, yeah, and salt also. Yes, and mix it well like this. I'll use my hands only. Yeah. All Indian mothers love to use the hands because that is, we don't know. I don't know actually, especially, it's tough for me to how to do it. Okay. See the color? Yeah. That's it. Now one small tadka. Your lemon rice is ready. That's it. That's what I told you. Very easy, posy recipe is a lemon rice. I used to what I have to, thinking, even the Naira used to come, then I ask her, you want lemon rice? I'll make it quickly. Yeah, see the color? Finish. See, yeah, this is a 2 cups of rice. Then I'm adding only one lemon. One is enough, I think so. We can taste and see also, no? Okay. Now I'm squeezing. Yes. My mouth is watering the citrusness, Lemon I love actually. Don't tell me, auntie, everything you love what to do. I'm so sorry. Yeah. See, that's it. Yeah. Now you want peanuts, whatever you wanted, just make one tadka. And curry leaves, that is also everybody is telling very good, very good, very good. Everything is very good, very good, very good. Okay. So come, we'll make one tadka. That's it. Yeah. Very easy. Come. See, yeah, my kada is ready. Now I'm using the sesame oil. Okay. This will be tasty, nice. Oh, that's it. Where is it? I forgot, yeah. I have to put that perungayam, no? Sorry. This will be very tasty. So, hing, okay? Little bit I will add. I love this smell actually. I forgot. Oh God. Always I'm so. This you can add the more, yeah. The taste will be very nice. Now, red chilies. I won't remove this one. I put it like that only. So, yeah, this is a desi chili. See how it's small and nice. Okay. Now, nicely do it like this. Make it like golden brown color, this one. The aroma will come very nicely. Okay. Now, this is optional. I like the peanuts in the lemon rice. I'm adding little. And this is also I'm adding green chilies. Nice, actually I cut the green chilies. I'm adding the green chilies also. Next, see, now curry leaves. Now time for the curry leaves. Just make it like this, green chilies. That's it. Now we are adding the curry leaves. Okay. Yeah. See, yeah, this. Now have a look, this one. See, like this. Now we are adding, switch off the gas. Now add this rice. Okay, tip is, if switch on the gas, no, if you're putting this rice, the color will be changing actually. If doing like this, it's very nice aroma also, and taste will be also very nice. Okay, come have a look like this. See, okay, yeah, very little only. I did it only 2 cups of boiled rice. I made it. So see how the color. See. Okay, this is the lemon rice with the peanuts. That's it, yeah. Now that is what I told, the leftover rice you can keep it in the, now this you can keep it in the fridge, then you can have it in the night and the morning also. That's it, yeah. One night, one morning only. After that I won't. I will remove everything because I don't like. That's it, very easy pussy one. No, now we'll taste and see. Come see, yeah, lemon rice for the kids. Okay. I am also kid only. Okay. Really, I'm telling, so tasty. Now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy.